All right, we have on the floor today another EFI conversion kit. This one is set up for a 64 through 68 Mustang. First off, you can see the fuel tank. It's fully coated, protected from rust. It's galvanized. It has returnless setup, so that's what makes it a little bit different from some of the other kits that we've offered. This setup right here has a 255 liters per hour fuel pump. Has the fuel level right here, has the sock, and this is flipped upside down just to show you what it looks like. So this is going to slide right in place like so, and you're not going to be able to go all the way because this level's in the way. So basically there's a couple of screws, you take that off. Once you get it positioned and this in place, you can lock that back down, and then you just have your line here that's going to go up to the throttle body system itself. So this wire here gets hooked up. Has all your main feeds. It requires a 30 amp relay to go off of it, so pretty easy as far as that goes. You have the fuel lines, plenty of fuel line to lead up to the throttle body itself. You have all your needed fittings, and also fits of variables from 64 all the way up to 69. Your filter, the harnesses, and then you have your monitor too. That's going to get hooked up to the throttle body. So we go over to the throttle body itself. This is a Sniper EFI. This is good up to 650 horsepower. Has the same linkage as a traditional Holley. Has four main hookups. That's all you need coming off of this. And then you have your oxygen sensor that it shows here. So this is all available through tdmotion.com.